faith in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. For with faith in your heart, the world is your own. You never will grieve if in Him you believe and walk with faith in your heart. When the dreams that you dream seem to disappear from view, that's the time to find out, and soon they'll all come true. He'll lighten your load as you travel life's road. So walk with faith in your heart. Whenever you have troubles, just reach out for His hand. He's by your side, your constant guide, and quick to understand. You will find happiness.
Katawa na naman yun. Panahon, panahon sa kalipay. Asa, sunod, katawa yun. Asa? Ay, pagbugal-bugal ma. Ikaw na po nagbugal-bugal yun. Ay, pagbugal-bugal ba? Ah?
Pagbugal-bugal ba?
Ano yun na siya bugal-bugal? Ay, pagbugal-bugal yan. Kanta tag seryoso. Anya, manya. Katong kantay mo sa ano ba?
Kunawan na, naroon din.
Ay, katong sa ospital ba? Itong ikanta ni mo sa ospital. Manginabang. Diba? Kasi tayo tila to. Gapot to. Di man na. Pataka lang ka, di man na mao. Di man to mao.
Si
Ha?
Ashley, si Princess. Sila po sa birthday.
Mami. Baka daw makay. Ano ba madanggan ba? Ang dahil barik ba?
Tayo yung tangi ina, mama.
Ano to ka doon?
Isa lang ang karubanawa.
Lakad-lakad ang mga karubanawa. Iingatan ka. Yun, dito. Hindi ka mo doon.
Would you know my name
Oo, si Sanse. O, ka mo doon.
if I saw you in heaven?
Goodbye sa'yo.
Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help me stay if I saw you in heaven? I'll find my way through night and day, 'cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven. Time can bring you down, time can bend your knee. Time can break your heart, have you begging, please, begging, please. Beyond the door, there's peace, I'm sure, 'cause I know there'll be no more tears in heaven. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven.
Sa buhay kong ito, tanging pangarap lang ang iyong pagmamahal.